Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
So today I am going to make Gondhoraj chicken biryani. For that, let's prepare the rice. In the water, add some salt and sugar, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon sticks. Add our soaked rice. Now cook this rice up to 70 to 80%. So our rice has been ready. Now let's prepare the chicken. For that, in a mixing grinder, add garlic, ginger, coriander, mint or pudina, onion, and green chilli. Now make a smooth paste out of it. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken. In that, add our mixture. Now add curd or dahi, salt, sugar, green food color, Garam masala or Biryani masala, Gondhoraj lemon zest, and Gondhoraj juice. Now keep this chicken aside for marination for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's cook our potatoes. In the potatoes, add some salt and green food color. Now fry them. Fry the potatoes for at least 5 to 6 minutes from each side. Now fry our onions. In the same oil, I will cook the chicken. Fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes from both the sides. Now add the fried potatoes and the fried onions. Now cover it and cook it in low flame or till the chicken cooks properly. You can notice that our chicken and the gravy has been cooked properly. Now let's assemble all. In the first layer, add our chicken. In the second layer, add our rice. In the third layer, add our potatoes. And the last layer covered with our rice. Now drizzle with some rose water and Kewra water. Now cover this and cook it in high flame for 10 minutes and in low flame for another 10 minutes. Do not place the vessel directly under the flame, otherwise the chicken might get burnt. So here we go, our Gondhoraj chicken biryani is ready to serve.